to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
Greater than.
Less than.
Greater than.
Less than. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Is 3 greater than 2? Or is 3 less than 2?
Greater than.
Less than.
Greater than.
3 is greater than 2. Great job. Now for some great fun. Trolls. Paw Patrol. Hey, Rocky. So much fun. Angry Birds in love. Rock and Rubble. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Is 3 greater than 3? Is 3 equal to 3? Is 3 less than 3?
Greater than.
Less than. 3 is equal to 3! Oh yeah! Now for some 3 plus 3 equals 6 fun! Marshall! Hey! Cat. Yoda! I love you. And it's a stamp. PJ Masks. Love. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Is 3 greater than 4? Or is 3 less than 4?
Greater than.
Less than. Less than. 3 is less than 4. Now for some more super surprises. Unicorn. Paw Patrol. Sky, Chase, Marshall, Rubble. Hey! What do you say, monsters? Beautiful. I hear you. I see you. Boing. Be happy. Vroom, vroom. Great job!
Learning is big fun!
So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy.